Now look at question number 40. We are being told that the laboratory worker measures the count rate of radioactive. He records the result as in the table below, whereby we have that the count rate is 100 in the 0 seconds, on 1 second 73, 2 54, 3 seconds 41, and then 4 seconds 31. But we are given data. The average background radiation we are given in the laboratory is 8 seconds. Now the first thing we do here, we need to have what is the source of the count rate. If it was 100, we subtract by 8, we get it is 92. If it is 73 minus 8, we get that it is going to be 65. Then 54 minus 8, we get it is 46. That is 54 minus 8, 46. Then 41 minus 3, we get 41 minus 8, 41 minus 8, we get it is 33. Then that one minus 8, we get it is 23. So at this point here, because already we have this now the source count rate when we subtract it from the background count rate per second. So we are going to take 92 divided by 2. 92 divided by 2, we get it is the half life then to be 46 here, 46. So what is the half-life of the source? The half-life of the source, it will be 2 minutes, because it is in 46, which is going to be 2 minutes.